Hello, good morning everyone. Myself Rohan More, Professor Rohan More in Civil Department. I am working as a lecturer in Praveen Patel Polytechnic. Today we have see the calculate the area of the given field by using open cross-top survey, which comes in the basic surveying subject, which is asked for the 6 marks question in board exam. As you see in the figure, there are different alphabets is given in the figure. We have to connect the figure first according to their ordinates. As you see in the figure, how I am joined different coordinates with each other. See how our figure is prepared. As we see in the figure, they given calculate the area of the field A, B, C, D, E, F, A. A, B, C, D, E, F, A. We have to calculate this area. The first step is divide the total figure into a number of parts. For example, I am giving numbering to the figure number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, total 6 figures. What I am doing, I am separating each and every figure to the side like this. As you see in the figure, I am making different figures inside to the questions and give naming to this. A, this is A, for this is A. See a bit, this is H. Now this is H. This is B. So I am giving name here B. Similarly, all figures we have to give name. See in this figure, this is I, this is D, this is C, this is here D, so I am given here D, this is I, this is E, for this is G, H, E, F, and lastly A, G, F. See here, for A there is a 0, so I am write here 0. Directly in figure number 1, 0 to directly 60, so I am given here 60. This is 30, 30. Similarly, give numbering to all the figures. As you see, our figure is ready. So firstly, we have to know some definitions. Line A D, it is a straight line. It is called as a baseline. Baseline or chain line, and this point A, F, E, C, B. These are the offset. What is by offset? Any object right or left side of the baseline or chain line, it is called as offset. If it is 90 degree, then it is called as a perpendicular offset. This offset means during the survey, chain line survey, we have to find any object like such as tree, building to the right or left side of the object is called as offsets. There are 3 types of offset. Perpendicular offset. Perpendicular means there are, if any object 90 degree to the baseline is called as perpendicular object, is other than 90 degree it is called as oblique offset. And third, swing offset, which is used in a road project. The next step, we have to prepare a table for solving this problem. As you see, first serial number 1, here is the figure number 1. I am giving name to the figure number 1. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now in serial number 1, right here serial number 1, figure number 1, I am drawing here a figure number 1. Here is 0, 60 and 30. As I am saying earlier, this line is called a chain line or base line, and these are the offset. In the first figure, see, calculate the chainage. How I calculate the chainage? This vertical line is called a chainage. So starting point is 0, end point is 60. So I am right here 0 and 60. So what is my base? 60 minus 0 is equal to 60. 60 minus 0 is equal to 60. Now next, calculate the offset. In nearby 0, there is no point right or left side of this 0, hence it is called as no offset. So I am right here 0. And in 60, there is nearby 60, there are offset is 30. So I am right here 0 and 30. Next, calculate mean offset. How mean offset is calculated? 0 plus 30 divided by 2. 0 plus 30 divided by 2, which is equal to 15. Next, mean area is equal to base into mean offset. So 15 multiplied by 60, calculate 15 multiplied by 60, area is equal to 900. I repeat, in figure number 1, see figure number 1, there are figure number 1 start from 0, 60, 30. I draw separately this figure side A, H, B. So I am right here A, H, B. In figure number 1, there is no offset side to the 0, hence I am right here 0. In 60, there are left side, there is a 30, so I am right here 30. How I calculate the mean offset? 0 plus 30 divided by 2, which is equal to 15. How I am calculating the base? This vertical line is called as baseline or chain line, starting point 0 and 60. So base is equal to 60 minus 0, which is equal to 60. Next, figure number 2. See, there is a figure number 2. I am drawing here separately. Here is 60, here is 60, here is 30, here is 30. 30 is the offset. There is 100, here is 100, and 60 is the offset. In table, I am drawing the same figure in figure number 2. What I am saying earlier, chainage. How to calculate chainage? This is a vertical line. This vertical line is known as chaining. This is figure number 2. This is 60, this is 100. So what I am writing in a chainage? 60 and 100. How I am calculating the base? 100 minus 60, which is equal to 40. However, next we have to calculate offset. How we will calculate the offset? Nearby 60, there is left side is 30. Hence I am writing here 30, and nearby 100 there is 60. So I am writing here 60. So how I am calculating the mean offset? 30 plus 60 divided by, so which is equal to 90 divided by 2 means 45. See, 30 plus 60 divided by 2, 45. And next, how I am calculating the area? 45 multiplied by 40, which is equal to 1800. See, I am explaining again. Chainage, how I am calculating chainage? Here is 60, here is 100. So my base chainage is equal to 60 and 100. My base is equal to 100 minus 60, which is equal to 40. Offset, in the left side of 60 there is 30, so I am right here 30. If there is no to the left side, write 0. Similarly, above figure 0 no left side or right side any point, hence I am writing here 0. In 60 there are left side is 30, so I am writing here 30. Similarly 100 their left side is 60, so I am writing here 60. The mean offset of how I am calculating mean offset, 30 plus 60 divided by 2, which is equal to 45, which is area is equal to mean offset into this, which is equal to 180. Similarly calculate the all the area. Next, similarly we have to draw different figures like this. Now next calculate the area number 3. I am drawing here separately. This is figure number 3. So what is my change? 100 and 120. So I am writing 100 and 120. 120 minus 100, my base is 20. What about the offset? 100 left side is 60, so I am writing here 60, and in 120 there is no any object in the right or left side of the 120, hence I am writing here 0. Hence my offset is 60 plus 0 divided by 2, which is equal to 30. 30 and 20, 600. Next, if you calculate the area in this manner, when you go to the right side, comes from this side. Next figure number 4, as you see in the figure number 4, same figure I am drawing it here. Next, change is equal to 120 and 100. 120 and 100. As you see in the figure, 120 and 100. 120 and this is 120 and this is 60. So by mistakenly this is 60 here. This total figure I am drawing it here. So here 120, here 120, here 60, here is 60, and here is 55. So 60 by mistake is just 60. The base is equal to 60. 120 minus 60 is equal to 60. Offset nearby 120 there is no offset in the right side, hence I am writing here 0. In 60 there is offset, it is 55. So mean offset is equal to 0 plus 55 divided by 2. So 55 divided by 2 is equal to 27.5. 27.5. The total area is equal to 27.5 and 60, which is equal to 1650. Similarly, next figure number 5 I am drawing here separately. Here is 60, 20, 35, 55. 60, 20, 35, 55. Same figure I am drawing it here. Next, change 60 and 20. 60 and 20. Why I am writing is 60 and 20? Because in right side I am coming from the top to down. So there is a 60 and 20. So 60 minus 20, 40. Next, nearby 60 there is offset 55, so I am writing here 55. In 20 there is offset 35, so I am writing here 35. So 55 plus 35 divided by 2, I am getting the answer is 45. Next I am multiply by 45 to the 40. 45 multiply to the 40, I am getting answer 1800. Similarly, I am calculating the all the area. Lastly, we have to add the total area. Summation of this all the area in 7100 meter square. If all the dimensions are given in meter, then the area is equal to in meter square. If all the dimension it is given in the mm square, then it is area comes into mm square. But mostly in surveying field, all the area given into a meter is our area. It is in meter square always. Thank you.